Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one we're discussing how to check your Standard Chartered credit card limits. Firstly, open up the Standard Chartered mobile banking app on your smartphone, log in using your username and password or through biometric authentication. Once logged in, go to the cards section of the app, select the credit card for which you want to check the limits. Your credit card limits will be displayed along with other details such as your available balance or outstanding balance. After that, we have also another option. You can visit the Standard Chartered online banking website and of course log in once again. After that, navigate to the credit card section, choose the credit card you want to check, and after that you'll be able to view the card limit as well as your current balance. After that, you can also contact customer service, call Standard Chartered's customer service at the number provided in the bank of your credit card or their website. Request to speak with a representative and ask for your credit card limit. The representative will provide the information after verifying your identity. And after that, check your credit card statement. Review your most recent credit card statement either online or in paper form. Your credit card limit will be listed at the top or in the summary section of your statement. These options will help you easily check your Standard Chartered credit card limits. Guys, if this helped, press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.